Hello students, today we will take topic error analysis. Error analysis. Okay? Error. The meaning of error is something missing, something mistake in your observation, in your experiment. So you can define error. Okay, if you can do any experiment, so your observed value, your experimental value is somewhat different from its real value. Somewhat different from its real value. So students, the difference between the real value and observed value is called error. Here, error, basically this lesson is numerical based lesson, so you focus more on the numericals. So we take mathematically error, systematic and random. Correct? Systematic error. Systematic error due to known reason. And it can be removed by modifying formula or adding or subtracting. Okay, sir, what is this? Systematic error means due to the known reasons. For example, if you can take the observation through vernier calipers, you know your instrument has error. Correct? जो भी लेंथ आप मेजर कर रहे हो उसमें वो 0.2 आइदर मोर आइदर लेस बता रहा है, तो आपने अपने फार्मूले में प्लस माइनस 0.2 कर दिया, ऐड कर दिया, सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया, या उसमें कोई खराबी है आपके अपरेटस में, आपको मालूम है, तो आपने फार्मूले में ही उसको ऐड, माइनस, मल्टीप्लाई, पावर कुछ भी करके आपने उसको रिमूव किया. करेक्ट? And second error is random. Okay, random error due to unknown reason. Due to unknown reason. Sir, how? Suppose your friend observes the value like that by using a scale, and he observed the length. अब 5 है, अब वो जल्दबाजी में 4.5 देख रहा है. अब क्या किया जाए? तो ये है रैंडम ड्यू टू अननोन रीजन. करेक्ट? अब it can be minimized minimize. How more attempt taken. Okay, more attempt taken. Sir, please clear. If you do any practical, you take more readings. 1 2 3 4. Suppose you have a rod, okay, and you take the length 5.1 meter, 5.2 meter, 5.3 meter, and so on. Correct? So, and you can minimize the error. Okay. Second, measurement. Okay. Here two types of error occurred in measurement. First, accuracy, and second one is precision. Okay. If you go through the dictionary, the meaning of accuracy and precision are almost same, but in physics there is something difference. Suppose you have a rod of length 5 meter, correct? And any student A is observed, okay, 5.1 meter, 5.4 meter, 4.9 meter, correct? And other student can take the observation 4.1 meter, 4.2 meter, 4.3 meter, okay, 5.8 meter, 5.9 meter, correct? Here you see the first student have taken the readings, observations are very close to the real length of rod, but the readings are not very close to each other, but other student can take 5 attempts to take the length. Okay, here you see the readings of this student B are very close to each other, okay, so these readings are very precise, but not accurate. So students, I hope you clear the difference between accuracy and precision. Accuracy means your reading is close to the real, but also not close each other, okay? But in precision, these readings are not close the real value, but close each other. तो ये स्टूडेंट्स प्रिसीजन है और ये एक्यूरेसी. डिफरेंस क्लियर हो गया? एक्यूरेसी मींस क्लोज टू द रियल लेंथ, करेक्ट, बट नॉट क्लोज इज द. और यहां क्या है? अवे फ्रॉम द रियल बट क्लोज ईच अदर. तो ये मैंने आपको बेसिकली डिफरेंस क्लियर करने का प्रयास किया between accuracy and precision. Correct? It is clear? So I rub it and ये बोर्ड में कभी-कभी पूछ लिया जाता है what is the difference between accuracy and precision. अच्छा, अब एक बात और है कि क्या कोई accurate और precise हो सकता है? Yes, 100% हो सकता है. I am students. So suppose any student can take the more attempts. Here we discuss the random error. Okay, random error. Here, suppose you take the length of rod, okay, by using vernier calipers or by using any methods. Suppose 5.1 meter, 5.2 meter, 5.3 meter, 5.4 meter, 5.5 meter. These are the observations obtained by the student. Correct? These are the random observations. Okay? And 5 observations you have taken. Okay? So, how will you find the real length of the rod? Real length of the rod by taking mean. By taking mean means absolute error. Mean length. Okay. So absolute error. Okay. So first you take mean for the real value. Real value, you use mean. Correct? First you take mean of the observations by using formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 and so on up to xn whole upon n. Yes? Absolute, okay, absolute error. Absolute error, mean of x. You put this value and you calculate the real value of, suppose 5.1 plus 5.2 plus 5.3 plus 5.4 plus 5.5 upon 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 3, 6, 4, 10, 5, 15. Okay. 5, 4, 9, 3, 12, 14, 15, 5, 1, 6, 5, 11, 5, 16, 5, 21, 5, 20, 6 upon 5. 5 5s are 25 and 5 3s are. So this is the real value of length of rod. Okay students, x bar. This is the real value, x bar. If you can find the absolute error. What? Absolute error. Absolute error in each attempt. Absolute error in each attempt. तो ये मीन निकल आया आपका. Okay. For the absolute error in each attempt, x bar. Okay. So here we can write absolute error. Okay. Delta x1. Delta x1 is equal to mean value minus first value minus x1, and it is also explained the absolute error is the difference of mean value and the reading taken by you. This x1 is taken by you, first reading, and mean means real length. So x bar minus x1 is the random error in first reading. Okay, very easy. Delta x2 x bar minus x2. Okay, delta x3 x bar minus x3, delta x4 x bar minus x4, and delta x5 equal to x bar minus x5. Correct? This is the random errors in each attempt. If you put the value, you can calculate 5.3 minus 5.1. 5.3 minus 5.1 is equal to 0.2 is equal to, again, 5.3 minus 5.2, 0.1. Very similarly, 5.3 minus 5.3, 0.0, and 5.3 minus 5.4 minus 0.1, again minus 0.2. It is clear? These are the absolute error. Absolute error is the difference between mean value and reading taken. Okay, these are the random errors. Random errors. Okay, so second, mean absolute error. Mean absolute error. Mean absolute error, students. Very easy. Take it very easy. Delta x bar. You take mean of the random errors. Delta x1 plus delta x2 plus and so on up to delta xn upon n is equal to delta x1 2 1 3 minus 1. No, error will always be added. ये ध्यान रखिएगा स्टूडेंट्स, error always be added, either positive or negative. ओके सर, माइनस में है तो ऐड क्यों हो रही है? सपोज 3 स्टूडेंट्स आर टेकन द ऑब्जर्वेशन, तीनों ने अलग अलग एरर की, तो जब आप सम अप करोगे तो एरर मिनिमाइज होगी या मैक्सिमाइज? तीनों की गलतियां मिलाई जाएंगी तो एक बड़ी गलती का रूप ले लेंगी ना, तो यहां पर एरर ऑलवेज बी एडेड. ओके, सो 0.2 plus 0.1, 0.3, 0.4, 0.6, 0.6, 0.6 upon 5. Number of attempt 5. So 1.12, 0.12, but here the significant figure is only 1. Is only 1. According to the significant figure, drop the digit 2 is, so the mean absolute error according to the significant figure is 0.1. This is the mean absolute error. This is the mean absolute error. Okay student? Okay, mean absolute error. Okay, so fractional error, fractional error, fractional error. Okay, fractional error means delta mean, it is the ratio of mean absolute error and mean value. Okay, it is the ratio of mean absolute error to the mean value. Okay, डेल्टा x 0.1 अपॉन मीन वैल्यू x बार 5.3. okay, means 1 upon 53. this is the fractional error or percentage fractional error. Percentage fractional error means if you multiply by 100 in fractional error, you get percentage error. Delta x upon x bar into 100. Okay. So delta x 1 upon 53 whole upon 5.3. just a minute. Delta x 1 upon 53 whole upon 5.3 into 100. करेक्ट. तो ये होगा आपका परसेंटेज एरर. करेक्ट. तो फ्रैक्शनल एरर एंड परसेंटेज एरर. ओके. So we will take the propagation of error. Propagation of error. Propagation of error. Okay. Very easy. So propagation of error. First, in addition or subtraction. Addition or subtraction. To make it more clear, we will take an example. Suppose you have two spheres. Suppose you have two spheres and this before starting this representation of error is mean absolute error plus minus no. The mean value plus minus mean absolute error. If you calculate the error, so representation of error is given by mean value plus minus mean absolute error. Here we will take propagation of error. How the error is propagated? First, addition or subtraction. These are two spheres. Correct? V1. Suppose 5 meter cube plus minus 0.1. Okay? And other V2 is equal to 8 meter cube plus minus 0.3. Okay. So if you are adding, then V is equal to total volume V1 plus V2. So 5 plus 8 13. Okay. ये मीन वैल्यू है, इसको आपने ऐड कर दिया प्लस माइनस एंड दिस इज मीन एब्सोल्यूट एरर is always added 0.1, 0.3, 0.4. okay. On other hand, subtraction. Here V is equal to V1 minus V2. तो आपने क्या किया, 8 minus 5 3 minus 0.3 minus 0.1. Always you remember, the error is always added. Minus मत कर दीजिएगा. Error is always added. So 0.4. तो इस तरीके से ये हो गया आपका क्या, प्रोपोगेशन ऑफ एरर. एडिशन में मीन वैल्यू आप ऐड कर लें, एरर को ऐड कर लें. सब्ट्रैक्शन में क्या करेंगे, मीन वैल्यू सब्ट्रैक्ट करके एरर को ऐड कर दीजिए. तो ये हो गया प्रोपोगेशन ऑफ एरर. तो एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन हो गया. एंड लास्ट वन इज मल्टीप्लिकेशन. आफ्टर एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन we will take multiplication. Multiplication. If any derived quantity y is given by x, y, z. Correct? Very similar concept we use multiplication and division. Okay, first you take log. Note this point to be, remember students, log can break into the mean absolute upon mean value. Okay, here log y is equal to log x plus log y plus log z. Okay, log y is equal to log x plus log y plus log z. And you remember log that mean absolute upon mean value. So delta y upon y, delta x upon x plus delta y upon y plus delta z upon z. Also you remember delta y upon y is the fractional error in y, fractional error in x, fractional error in y, fractional error in z. Very similarly, fractional error in y, delta y upon y is equal to delta x upon x plus delta y upon y plus delta z upon z. Correct? On the basis of multiplication. Okay, first we will take a question. Suppose we observe, we can measure the length and breadth of a rectangle. Okay, question is, suppose we can measure the length of a rectangle. Rectangle is 4, okay, with error of 0.04 and breadth is 6 meter with the error of 0.06 meter. Correct? Find out the area of a rectangle. Correct? Very easy. Here you know area is equal to length into breadth. So firstly you use the formula of area. You know, area is equal to length into breadth. Means A is equal to L into B. Correct? By using this concept, you can convert into the fractional error. Fractional error. Delta A upon A is equal to delta L upon L plus delta B upon B. In given question, in the length is given 4 meter and error also given 0.04 meter. Okay? Breadth also given 6 meter and delta B given 0.6 meter, 0.06 meter, 0.06 meter. Correct? So you put, and again you calculate the real area. You use this length and breadth. Okay, is equal to 4 into 6 means 24 meter square. This is it. Correct? Putting these values, error in area means mean absolute error. Mean absolute upon 24, okay, is equal to delta L 0.04 upon 4 plus 0.06 upon 6. So it is 0.01 plus 0.01. Okay. So 0.02. 0.02. So delta A is equal to 24 into 0.02. So 0.48. 0.48. This is the area. So representation of area. Representation of area is equal to real area 24 plus minus 0.48. This is the answer. Okay, it is clear. This is the numerical on the basis of multiplication, and also very easy, the concept of division, very similar. Okay, so we will take next topic, division. Suppose any derived quantity y is given by a upon b. Y is equal to a upon b. Take it very easy. Log y is equal to log a minus log b. But in error analysis, always added. Error be always added. So is the log y is equal to log a minus log b. But in error analysis, always you remember the error always added. So delta y upon y is equal to delta a upon a plus delta b upon b. Suppose a question we will take. You know, suppose a body of mass, you measure the mass. Suppose a body of mass is equal to 6 kilogram. Okay, with the error delta m 0.06 kg. Okay, and volume of the body is 4 meter cube. With the error is 0.04 meter cube. Correct? So find out the error in density. Find out the error in density. Okay, you know density is equal to mass upon volume. Density is equal to mass upon volume. Density is mass upon volume. Very similarly, you can take this concept. Delta D upon D is equal to delta M upon M plus delta D upon B. Okay, putting the value. First, you calculate the real value of density. Real value of density. Density is equal to mass upon volume. Mass 6 upon volume 4. So 1.5 kg per meter cube. Kg per meter cube. Correct? So delta D upon 1.5. Delta M 0.6. 0.06 plus 0. volume 04 upon volume 4. So delta D upon 1.5 is equal to 0.01 plus 0.01. So 0.02 into 1.5. This is the error in density. 15 to the 30. 0.03 on the basis of significant figure. 0.03. This is the delta D. So answer will be density plus minus error in density. Mean absolute error density is 1.5 plus minus 0.03. This is the answer. Okay, on the basis of division, if we will take the composite relation. We will take composite relation to make it more and more clear. Okay students, suppose any derived quantity can be written as or defined by y is equal to a cube b square upon c raised to power 4. First you convert in fractional error. Convert in very easy concept. First you take log, and log breaks into mean absolute error upon mean error. Delta y upon y is equal to log a cube means 3 delta a upon a plus 2 delta b upon b plus 4 delta c upon c. This is the formula. Okay, तो ये हो गई आपकी कंपोजिट एरर. करेक्ट? तो इस पर बेस्ड जो है, और इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई ऑन बोथ द साइड्स बाय 100 यू विल गेट द परसेंटेज एरर. ओके, तो ये टोटल आपका मैंने बेसिक बताया आपको एरर एनालिसिस के बारे में, जिससे कि आपके बोर्ड के क्वेश्चन आपके कवर हो सकते हैं. लेकिन मैं जानता हूं कि ऑलमोस्ट स्टूडेंट्स आर ट्राइंग फॉर द जेई नीट और अदर कंडीशंस. सो वी विल टेक मोर क्वेश्चंस ऑन बेसिस ऑफ एरर एनालिसिस. ओके.